Hey folks, how are you guys today? Hopefully you're having a great Sunday. And we are going to take a look at XLM, Stellar XLM in this video. We're going to take a look at some price predictions. Some are pretty ambitious, but XLM has pulled it off before, so we're going to take a look at that as well. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on X if you're watching over there. And let's talk about it here. So Stellar XLM price is struggling right now, but some analysts are anticipating an over 2,000% surge. So let's look into this here. So analysts again are paying more attention to Stellar, making some bold predictions. 48 cents is where we're sitting at about right now, and they have projected it to surge to over $11. According to Javron Marks, past performance and technical indicators is what he cites as bullish indicators there. So we can see this is his thesis, and he is basically basing that on the Fibonacci extension levels and previous bull cycles. Basically, I keep saying basically, sorry about that. Pretty much basically talking about previous cycles and history and price action. So XLM can be very explosive considering, past historical price data. XLM price could rally exponentially during a bullish phase. It's an ability that it has proven in the past, especially during the 2017 bull run. Fibonacci retracement tool was used to identify some extension targets of $2.12, $8.39, and an overwhelming $11.32. Now, to put that in comparison, let's jump over here for a quick second over to the coin perspective. I like this website because it's able to you're able to put in targets and manipulate some numbers and things like that. So it's very good to use to kind of predict what prices are going to be when certain market caps are hit and that kind of that sort of thing. $11 price target for XLM would put this thing at a $335 billion market cap. So one of my previous predictions was probably around a $5 market cap or so, $5 price range or so, putting it at about $152 billion. I just did a Trump video and it took me a while and it was a lot of talking and now I'm a little bit fumbly and I do apologize. I'll get back on track here. So yeah, so Stellar could potentially, in my opinion, I think we could get to $5 easy, $152 billion market cap in a bull run. I think that's very achievable. So let's jump back over here. So it has proven this in the past. Like we said, we mentioned the Fibonacci extension targets and the Fibonacci chart shows XLM has already broken out of a long consolidation period. The 57-cent level has become a key resistance. XLM, it has ambitious targets, and if the rally moves before like it did in the 2017 bull run, that is probably the most notable run that it has had. So it is definitely able to do these types of runs. Very explosive, in my opinion. It's still facing or still placing them on the top 20, yet the volume is not there. But right now, I just did a video on the Trump coin, and it's taking a lot of the liquidity out of the market right now. People are selling, utility coins and things that they've been holding that might not be moving at this point right now, and kind of chasing some green candles. So we have a lot of that at play right now. The market has altcoin market has been hit fairly hard because of the Trump coin. So I'm anticipating that's going to eventually level off, and people are going to pull their profits and come back into some certain other coins. So that's probably what's going to happen. Now, the 4-hour chart, when you look at it, the token holds an upward channel. So that's definitely something that we have to watch. Breaking above the 50-cent resistance, there's a renewed opportunity to drive price tests of the critical 57-cent area pointed to on the Fibonacci chart. And we can see that this is that channel that we were talking about here. The daily chart shows a bigger picture. The past few hours, XLM broke out of a multi-year accumulation phase and now is looking to set another uptrend. So things could get very interesting for Stellar very quickly. We're just going to jump over and take a look at the price action. Like I mentioned, people have been pulling profits, or people have been pulling liquidity out of other projects to basically get into Trump coin. I'm not saying that that's exactly what's happening with all of them, but it seems to be a very growing trend here. But we can see, Stellar is still doing fairly well, still up 7% in the last 7 days. And, we'll take a look at the overall month, 24%. I mean, we're still in this uptrend, and I think we are not done here yet. I think Stellar still has a lot left in it. And, we could potentially see some much bigger numbers coming into, the height of the bull market. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a quick update what's going on there and kind of like why prices are kind of stagnant or coming down in crypto right now, and that's basically what's going on. Uh, Trump launched a meme coin out of the blue, called it a fair launch, and Friday night at like what 9 or 10 o'clock at night, and nobody was ready for it. A lot of people thought it was a scam. So there was a ton of people looking to pull money out of other projects to basically chase the green candles. Some of them, I hope they are able to recover those funds and make some good profits. And the coin's definitely been very explosive. So but it'll be really nice to see some of that money come flowing back into the utility coins. I'm almost guaranteeing that will happen, but obviously we don't know what crypto will bring. I mean, it's always a day-to-day thing. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.